Put something off. Have you heard what is put something off? Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a phrasal verb, that is put something off. This put something off means to delay something, or when we decide that I can do this task at a later time, not now. Reason can be anything. So put something off means when you decide to do something at a later time, or you delay doing something. Let's understand this more by some examples. Example 1. I need to talk to my boss now. I can't put it off any longer. I need to talk to my boss now. I can't put it off any longer. This means that now I need to talk to my boss at this moment. I can't delay this conversation anymore. I need to talk to my boss now. Example 2. This project has been put off until next month because of disagreement among board members. This means that the project has been delayed as the people working on that project are not in agreement as of now. Let's take one more example. Example 3. Examinations have been put off indefinitely because of pandemic. This example is something which we all can relate to in one form or another, right? Let's take one more example. Our team has put the meeting off until next week. Our team has put the meeting off until next week. I hope I'm making some sense here. Whenever you are postponing something, or you are delaying something, or you decide that you can do this task later on, then you can use this phrasal verb, put something off. If you have understood this very well, please frame your own sentence using this phrasal verb, put something off, and write it in the comment section. I will be really happy to see your sentences. This is Anushri signing off. Thank you.